Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Eternally Stunning. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I thought we'll do a video on how to make our eyes look big. So the very first thing, I have my mirror here. So the very first thing that I'm gonna do is to apply primer. So I have a primer here. I'll be applying my primer. Just a drop of primer. With the primer, wherever you'll apply primer, the skin becomes even and you'll be able to apply makeup properly. That's my baby boy's voice. So I have applied the primer and now I'll be going to put foundation. And I like to blend my makeup through fingers, so I'll be using my fingers. I can see the difference right now. I'll be applying a light eyeshadow. This is a neutral colors eyeshadow. Alright. Okay, now I'll be working on eyeshadow. So as you guys can see, for crease I'm going to use some medium tone, maybe something like this, or I can use this peach color as well. And now I'm going to apply the darker shade. So I'll be choosing this violetish color. I've been wanting to apply it for a long time and I never got a chance to do that. Now only you can see the difference. So always put the darker shade at the end to give a smoky look, plus to make your eye look bigger. I'm going to apply eyeliner. If you're applying eyeliner, make sure that you are going thicker at the outer end and thin at the inner end. I hope you guys can see that. I'm going to apply a highlighter. It's a very pretty shade of highlighter. Love highlighter. And then lower liner. So again, make it a little darker towards the end, starting from thin line from the inner corner of the eye, going to thick towards the end. And then, so this is a very basic eye makeup that I'm doing, and I'm just showing you guys the difference with very simple products that you can immediately see. You will see even my eyeshadow is not like too smoky. I have he wants to talk to me, it seems. As you can see, I've put it like really light, and I haven't made it any smoky or any dark. So it's just simple. I'm sorry. It's just a simple eye makeup. And then finally, mascara. So now you can see the difference in between this and this eye. So thank you so much.